Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and sign up DeepSeek. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. First open your Play Store and click on search and search DeepSeek. Install it and click on open. Just wait for it opening. Now click on sign up. For creating an account, enter your email and create your password, confirm password, and last one is verification code that you receive on your email. Now I try to enter my details. After entering your email and password, then click on send code and it verifies that you are a human. Solve your puzzle and get code on your email address. Enter the code. Now you can see that the DeepSeek is successfully signed up. Write your prompt and get response. Thanks for watching. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. Number available in the description.